Hey guys, Adrienne here from About Murals. I'm on set at Cityline installing two custom wallpaper murals that I printed up for their Halloween episode. So they're sort of space themed wallpaper murals. One has an alien in a jar and the other one is the inside of a spaceship. So I actually sell a whole bunch of space themed wallpaper murals, sort of galaxies, planets, UFOs, and aliens, that kind of thing on my website. And it's one of my more popular categories. But the question I get asked all the time is how to actually hang the wallpaper. I think people get intimidated when they think about hanging wallpaper. So I do have a step-by-step tutorial. It's like a how-to video on my website, and that gives you all of the nitty-gritty details on how to hang them. But what I thought I would do today is do a quick time-lapse video of me hanging both of these wallpaper murals so that you can have a quick look at how easily they go up. So all of the wallpaper murals that I sell on my website are pre-pasted, so that just means that the glue is on the back of the wallpaper. You don't have to go out and buy any extra paste. You don't have to put it on the wall. You don't have to paste the back of the paper and book it. None of that. You basically just dip my wallpaper into warm water and put it up on the wall. So it slips and slides for a few minutes after you put it up. It's really easy to match the seams up. And the great thing is that when you're done with it and you're ready to redecorate, it's all removable. So you just pull it right off the wall and it comes off. There's no damage to the wall and you're ready to redecorate in a matter of minutes. So I'm gonna do the time-lapse video so you can see how quickly and easily they go up. If you do want more in-depth instructions, head on over to my website at aboutmurals.ca and you can find the how to install video on there. And if you want a closer look, more photos of these actual wallpaper murals, or if you want to check out the other space-themed wallpaper murals that I sell, I'll put the link to the blog post that this is going to be in below, and you just click on there and you can find all of the details of these wallpaper murals on there, and I'll even embed Cityline's video so you can see how they look on set. All right, so I've prepped my walls and I've prepped the wallpaper, so let's get hanging. All right, there you have it. So I hung both of these murals. The app that I used for the time-lapse video said that it took me 1 hour and 4 minutes. So I hung both of these wallpaper murals in 1 hour and 4 minutes. Now I did do a little bit of prep work on the walls before I hung them, but all in all, 2 wallpaper murals in just over an hour. So you could change the whole look and feel of a room in just a couple hours. So what I'm gonna do is take some close-up photos of these wallpaper murals and I'm gonna put them in the blog, and I'm also going to put the Cityline video in the blog. So if you want to see how they use these wallpaper murals on set for their Halloween episode, you can watch it right from my blog. So the link is right below, and I would love it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hand paint murals and I also sell and install wallpaper murals. So I'm always sharing how-to tips for all you DIYers, whether you're looking to hand paint murals or whether you're looking for tips on how to hang the wallpaper murals. So you might find a lot of value by subscribing to my channel. Thanks.